How long does it take for Ally Bank to approve an account? Hook, have you ever wondered why it takes so long for banks to approve your accounts? It's a question that's plagued many of us, especially when we're eager to start using our new financial tools. Today, we're going to delve into the specifics of Ally Bank and uncover just how long it takes for them to give your account the green light. Context: Ally Bank is a popular online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and competitive rates. But before you can dive into the world of Ally, you need to get your account approved. So, let's cut to the chase. How long does it typically take for Ally Bank to approve an account? Factors affecting approval time. Type of account. The type of account you're opening will significantly impact the approval time. For instance, a basic savings account might be approved more quickly than a complex business account. Completeness of application. The more information you provide accurately and promptly, the faster Ally can process your application. Missing or incomplete details can lead to delays. Identity verification. Ally will need to verify your identity to prevent fraud. This process can involve providing documentation like your driver's license or passport. The speed of this verification depends on the efficiency of the verification process. Credit check. For certain accounts, Ally may conduct a credit check. If your credit history is less than ideal, this could potentially slow down the approval process. Bank's workload. The volume of applications Ally is processing at any given time can also influence approval times. During peak periods, it might take slightly longer for your application to be reviewed. Typical approval time frames. Savings and checking accounts. For most savings and checking accounts, Ally aims to provide approval decisions within a few business days. In many cases, you can expect to receive a confirmation email or notification within 24 to 48 hours. Loans and credit cards. If you're applying for a loan or credit card, the approval process can be more involved. Ally may need to gather additional information and conduct a more thorough review. This could extend the approval time to several business days or even weeks. Business accounts. Business accounts often require more documentation and verification. The approval process for these accounts can take longer, potentially several weeks. Tips for faster approval. Provide complete information. Ensure that your application is filled out accurately and completely. Missing information can lead to delays. Submit required documents. Gather all necessary documents, such as proof of identity and income, and submit them promptly. Monitor your application. Keep an eye on your email for updates from Ally. If you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to reach out to their customer service team. Conclusion. While Ally Bank strives to provide quick approval times, the exact duration can vary depending on several factors. By understanding the factors that influence approval and taking steps to provide complete information, you can increase your chances of a faster approval process. So, if you're ready to open an account with Ally Bank, be patient and prepared to provide the necessary documentation. With a little effort, you'll be well on your way to enjoying the benefits of their financial products. Call to action. Have you had any experiences with Ally Bank's approval process? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more financial tips and advice. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.